Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Testosterone, often called the male hormone, plays a crucial role in overall health and fitness for both men and women. It maintains muscle mass, bone density, libido, and energy levels. In addition, testosterone also regulates mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, numerous everyday factors can unknowingly sabotage our testosterone levels. These seemingly harmless habits can significantly impact our hormonal balance, from the food we eat to the products we use. Viewers need to pay attention to these everyday things that can affect testosterone levels, because low testosterone levels can lead to a variety of health issues, including decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, low energy levels, and even mood swings. By understanding how these factors influence our hormonal balance, we can make informed choices to optimize our testosterone levels and improve our overall health and fitness. Join us as we delve into the top 10 everyday things that can kill your testosterone levels and learn how to maintain optimal hormonal balance for a healthier, more muscular, and more energized body. Section 1. A sedentary lifestyle characterized by prolonged periods of sitting or inactivity can harm testosterone levels. Physical activity plays a crucial role in stimulating testosterone production in the body. When we lead a sedentary lifestyle, our bodies miss out on the benefits of exercise, leading to a decrease in testosterone levels. Sedentary behaviors that viewers should be aware of include sitting for extended periods at work, binge-watching TV shows, and spending leisure time on electronic devices. These habits contribute to a lack of physical activity and hinder the body's ability to produce adequate testosterone levels. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. To combat the adverse effects of a sedentary lifestyle on testosterone levels, it is essential to incorporate more movement into daily routines. Simple changes such as taking short walks throughout the day, standing up and stretching regularly, and exercising regularly can help boost testosterone production. Viewers can optimize their hormonal balance and improve their overall health and well-being by prioritizing physical activity and reducing sedentary behaviors. Section 2. Poor dietary choices can significantly impact testosterone levels by depriving the body of essential nutrients needed for hormone production. Nutrients such as zinc, vitamin D, and healthy fats support optimal testosterone levels. Zinc is crucial to testosterone synthesis. Vitamin D helps regulate hormone production, and healthy fats provide the building blocks for hormone production. Common foods that can lower testosterone levels include processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, alcohol, and soy-based products. These foods can disrupt hormone balance and hinder testosterone production in the body. Viewers should incorporate nutrient-dense foods rich in zinc, vitamin D, and healthy fats into their diets to support optimal testosterone levels. Foods such as oysters, nuts and seeds, fatty fish, eggs, and leafy greens are excellent choices for boosting testosterone levels. Viewers can enhance their hormonal balance and promote overall health and well-being by making healthier food choices and prioritizing nutrient-rich options. Section 3. Chronic stress can profoundly impact hormonal balance, explicitly lowering testosterone levels in both men and women. When the body is under prolonged stress, it releases high cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can disrupt the delicate balance of hormones, including testosterone production. Physiologically, chronic stress can inhibit the release of gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, from the hypothalamus, which ultimately suppresses the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, from the pituitary gland. These hormones are essential for stimulating testosterone production in the testes, decreasing testosterone levels. To combat the adverse effects of chronic stress on testosterone levels, viewers can implement practical stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, regular physical activity, and adequate sleep. Prioritizing mental well-being is crucial for maintaining hormonal health and optimizing testosterone levels. Viewers can support their hormonal balance and well-being by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Section 4. Lack of sleep. The quality and duration of sleep play a crucial role in regulating hormone levels, including testosterone. During sleep, the body undergoes essential hormone production, repair, and recovery processes. Adequate sleep is necessary for maintaining optimal hormonal balance, including testosterone levels. Sleep deprivation can have detrimental effects on testosterone production. Chronic lack of sleep disrupts the body's natural circadian rhythm, leading to imbalances in hormone regulation. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can decrease testosterone levels, impacting muscle growth, energy levels, and overall health. Tips for enhancing sleep quality include establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, optimizing the sleep environment for comfort and darkness, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine close to bedtime. Section 5. Environmental toxins can significantly impact testosterone levels by acting as endocrine-disrupting chemicals that interfere with hormone production and regulation. Familiar sources of these toxins include pesticides, plastics, household cleaners, and personal care products that contain harmful chemicals such as phthalates, parabens, and bisphenol A, BPA. Exposure to these endocrine-disrupting chemicals can lower testosterone levels and disrupt hormonal balance in the body. Studies have linked exposure to environmental toxins with adverse effects on reproductive health, fertility, and overall hormone function. To minimize exposure to harmful toxins in everyday life, viewers can take proactive steps such as choosing organic produce, using natural cleaning products, opting for BPA-free containers, and selecting personal care products free of harmful chemicals. Creating a clean environment free of toxins is essential for supporting hormonal health and optimizing testosterone levels. Section 6. Excessive alcohol consumption can have a detrimental impact on testosterone production by disrupting hormone levels in the body. Alcohol is known to affect the endocrine system, leading to decreased testosterone synthesis and secretion. Chronic alcohol abuse can impair the function of the testes, which are responsible for producing testosterone, and interfere with the body's hormonal balance. Alcohol exerts its effects on testosterone levels through various mechanisms, including inhibiting the release of luteinizing hormone, LH, from the pituitary gland, which is essential for stimulating testosterone production. Additionally, alcohol can increase the conversion of testosterone into estrogen, further contributing to hormonal imbalances. Individuals who engage in excessive alcohol consumption are at a higher risk of experiencing hormonal imbalances, including low testosterone levels. To maintain healthy testosterone levels, it is recommended to practice moderate alcohol consumption. Section 7. Lack of sunlight exposure. Sunlight exposure plays a crucial role in vitamin D synthesis, which impacts testosterone levels and hormonal balance in the body. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it triggers the production of vitamin D, a critical nutrient essential for various bodily functions, including hormone regulation. Adequate sunlight exposure is essential for maintaining optimal vitamin D levels, which are closely linked to testosterone function. Vitamin D supports testosterone production by enhancing enzyme activity and hormone synthesis. Low vitamin D levels have been associated with decreased testosterone levels and hormonal imbalances. Adequate vitamin D levels must be ensured through safe sun exposure practices to support healthy testosterone function. Suggestions for safe sun exposure include spending time outdoors during peak sunlight hours, wearing sunscreen to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into the diet. By prioritizing safe sun exposure and maintaining optimal vitamin D levels, individuals can support testosterone production and promote hormonal balance for overall health and well-being. Section 8. Overtraining, a state of excessive exercise without adequate rest and recovery, can have detrimental effects on testosterone levels and hormonal health. When the body is pushed beyond its limits with intense and prolonged exercise, it can lead to hormonal imbalances and suppression of testosterone production. Overtraining disrupts the delicate balance of hormones in the body, including testosterone, by increasing levels of stress hormones such as cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can inhibit testosterone synthesis and lead to a decrease in testosterone levels. This hormonal imbalance can impact muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. Striking a balance in training intensity is essential to supporting optimal testosterone levels and hormonal health. Recommendations for balancing training intensity include incorporating rest days into workout routines, varying exercise intensity and duration, listening to the body's signals for fatigue and recovery, and prioritizing adequate sleep and nutrition for optimal recovery. By avoiding overtraining and implementing a well-rounded approach to exercise that includes proper rest and recovery, individuals can support testosterone optimization, enhance hormonal balance, and improve overall health and fitness. Prioritizing lifestyle changes that support optimal hormone production and balance is crucial. By incorporating regular physical activity, nutrient-dense foods, stress management techniques, quality sleep, safe sun exposure, and balanced exercise routines, viewers can take proactive steps to enhance their testosterone levels and overall hormonal health. We encourage viewers to implement these recommendations and make informed choices to support their hormonal balance. Remember, small changes in daily habits can significantly impact testosterone levels and overall well-being. For more health-related content and tips on optimizing hormone levels, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit. Let's prioritize our hormonal health and strive for a healthier, more vital, and more energized lifestyle. Thank you for watching.